I have booked 25 calls from one single LinkedIn post in the last 2 weeks, and this is how I did it. And it wasn't through any fancy tactics or hacks, but simply copying the best and adding my own tone of voice. Just to prove you that this is actually true, this is my um, emails over the last 2 weeks. This is also my name here, and it's funny because today alone I booked 6 inbound calls. The other two I haven't really screenshotted them yet, but there are another two that I've booked today, three yesterday, and like tons of calls over the last 2 weeks. This is basically how the content performance looked like when I posted the post. 40k impressions in the last 7 days. This is how my inbox looked like after just a couple hours after posting, and I got about like 600 or 700 new followers in the past couple of days alone. And it's all down to a simple 3-step process. It consists of a giveaway, distribution, and backend DMs. So basically, you want to first give away a gated and valuable resource in exchange for a comment. Typically, see this as a lead magnet on LinkedIn. It's basically, where I give this resource away in exchange for a comment. And this is how the post looked like. LinkedIn should be very hard. So my doctor makes it easy. A picture, and the performance of this post was I got about 700 new email subscribers. I got about 634 new followers, 40k impressions, 800 plus comments, and 300 plus likes. And this post worked so well because I talked to a very specific pain point in the post. So in the hook, I write LinkedIn shouldn't be hard. Obviously, for most people, LinkedIn is hard because they don't really know how to use it. And then I tell them, so I made a doc that makes it very easy. And this just eases them and shows them that it's very low required effort. And people want dopamine and want to have it easy, so that's why it worked so very, very well. Then I also have dense media to prove I have the resource and also increase perceived value. Just remove this. All right. So the image here is very, very dense. There's a lot of things going on in there. There's basically like 10, 12 mini guides with a very bold claim, how to add 100k in MMR from LinkedIn in 2025. So, who wouldn't want that, right? Then I could also sell this for money, definitely. Like this is everything I learned like for the past like 6 months or so. And it has a very high perceived value, again, through the body. Because as you can see here, I start off with, I've collected everything I know about LinkedIn and created a guide on how to add 100k MMR from LinkedIn 2025. It took me 12 hours to craft and includes blah, blah, blah. Right? This just shows, it took me 12 hours to put this together, and you can add 100k MMR through this alone from LinkedIn. Then I go about everything that's in there just to improve even more perceived value, because this just is a big block of text and just, whoa, this is so much. I need to get this, right? Then this isn't just a guide, it's a blueprint to book hundreds of calls in LinkedIn in 2012 to 2025. Again, improving perceived value. And the reason why there's no CTA to comment, normally, there would be comment clients to get the resource, only available for 48 hours. Then after 48 hours, you just want to change the CTA from comment to get to a simple link. The reason why is because delivering the lead magnet to all these people that comment it's madness. And that's why I would just put a link after the lead magnet has already worn off a bit, and after the algorithm already pushed it to its most extent, then just put a link in there, and then people, when they see it, can just access it directly without you having to send them a connection request or send them a DM afterwards. What I will change about the lead magnet is basically nothing. So, number 2 is distribution. Now you want to send that resource actually to those people who commented. So you want to do this by sending them a DM. So I basically start very often with acknowledging that they commented, hey, appreciate the comment, and then sending them the link to the resource. Right here, you can access the 100K LinkedIn playbook. Don't just tell them, here's the resource, but actually tell them what they're getting, because most people just forget after a couple of days, and just tell them, what they get and what results you got with this resource, and then ask them a very simple question, just to get a response. For example, PS, how is LinkedIn going? Very simple pain point question. You can also ask, are you currently running X business? Or how is X pain point going for you? And then from there, they will click on the link, get it to an opt-in page. In there, they can input their email address, and then two things happen, right? They get the resource sent to the inbox, of course, and they will also be redirected to a VSL. And this is where most of the inbound calls will be booked from, because they will click on the download now button, and then instantly see this video, click on it, watch it, book a call. This is basically where most of the calls will come from. Now I already also have a CTA in the lead magnet itself, where they can again book a few calls, and there's also a small proportion of how many calls of the inbound calls that I booked. So then number 3 is the backend DMs. So I have built a DM strategy. This is also included in the lead magnet here, but you can just access it if you like. Down below there should be a link where you can access the Miro board. And basically, I'm just going to go over the follow-ups, right? So you want to send the first follow-up to the people in your ICP. Don't send it to everyone, only to people that are actually in your ICP. Track it with, I don't know, like Condo or Notion, and send follow-ups to people in your ICP that got the resource with a very, very simple first follow-up message. For example, how's the resource? Or already checked my guide, or already watched X video. Then another follow-up after another like 24 to 48 hours, and then just ask them if you're already seeing some results with the resource you sent them. Just because most will probably not get any results yet, and then you can pull out pain from that and book a call from there. But for more info, just click on the link up there. So this is basically how I book 25 inbound calls through this one single little LinkedIn post. And this is basically one of the biggest arbitrages currently on LinkedIn. If you're not doing this, then you're clearly missing out. If you want the same results, you can just book a free one-on-one LinkedIn audit coaching call with the link below. And if you're not ready yet, you can just, of course, access the Smiro board with the link underneath, where you can A, get back to it whenever you need, and B, access the DM strategy to book back-end calls from your lead magnet. So this is basically everything you need to book inbound calls from lead magnets, and I hope this helped. And if you want the same results, book a call below. I'm going to see you very, very soon.